Welcome back to the CINCH Tips Series, your quick and easy guide to getting the most out of CINCH Quilt. In today's tip, we'll explore block shapes in the Group and Block Designer, the building blocks of your quilt design. Shapes represent your patches and the pieces you ultimately cut and sew. Let's start with the blank group in the Block Designer. From here, you can place a simple shape like a triangle. Clicking on a shape activates a bounding box around it. This lets you stretch, resize, or skew the shape as you like. Notice that as you move the shape, it snaps to the grid lines, helping you stay precise. If you need more or less precision, you can adjust the grid settings anytime in the parameters panel on the right. Here's a powerful tip. Hold down the Shift key. When you do, the bounding box changes. You'll now see small boxes all over each individual point of the shape. This lets you drag a single point, giving you even more control. And just like before, each point snaps to the grid lines as you move it. Don't think of shapes as being fixed. A square, for example, is really just 4 points. Those points don't have to stay in a square. You can move them around to create entirely new custom shapes. The same goes for a triangle with 3 points or any other shape you add. All shapes can be manipulated this way, giving you endless possibilities for creative design. And that's it for this cinch tip. By learning how to place, manipulate, and customize shapes, you'll be able to design blocks that are simple or as complex as you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cinch tip.